Okay, I'm in Wea Park again. Obviously, that's beaver sign where a beaver chomped on that tree and took it down. Here, looks like a beaver started on this. Didn't finish the job. Yet, anyway. Clearly, somebody had a fire here. At least they had the decency to do it out here on this little island right by the water, set out in the woods. But I don't know if somebody intentionally left it here or if it came down when the water was high, but it looks like a vacuum cleaner. I don't know if somebody left that there on purpose, but if they did, what's wrong with them? Well, I know there's beaver in here. Now, looks like there's some raccoons in here. It's definitely nowhere near as fresh as what I saw earlier, but found some more beaver sign. That little one, that little branch I saw earlier, would be down the trail that way. That unfinished tree is down that way. That's the only fresh beaver sign I've seen. There's another old one. Looks like this one could be another tree a beaver got to. I have yet to see any beaver dam or the beginnings of a beaver dam. So there is beaver here, or at least there was. I don't know where they'd be. Now this little slide here in the mud on the bank could have been made by a person, but it definitely wasn't here the last time I was out here. Yeah, I'm thinking it might have been made by a person. There's some footprints from people right here on the bank near it. Okay, this print right here. Can't see for sure what made that. A couple prints right near it that look a little different than it. Not sure what made that one.